Hi, good morning children. This is your Lata ma'am. Welcome to our Nirbhaya digital learning class. Hi, hello, how are you kids? I hope you are all safe. As before going to the topic, I will say you some warm-up exercise. Be ready students? Everyone sit in a place. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in, 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 breathe out. Rub your hands. Put on your eyes. Slowly open your eyes. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap children. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Clap your hands. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap. Stop. Clap, stop. Clap, stop. Clap, stop. Coming to the point, children. Children, yesterday you learned 2-digit numbers. How to subtract. Yes, again I will show you 2-digit numbers and 3-digit numbers. How to subtract the numbers. Okay. See, what you have to do, this is 2-digit number. As first of all, you should draw the place value chart. As how many digit? 2 digit. Ones place, tens place. As you should draw the place value chart. After that, you should write the subtraction symbol. What is the subtraction symbol? Minus. As minus. See, 53 from 94. 53 from 94. You should minus in 94 53. As now here 4, here 3. As in the 4 you should minus 3. Remaining 1. See, 4 fingers open, 3 cut. Remaining 1. That 1 you should write here. See, in the 9, you should cut 5. You can take out your fingers, otherwise you can do it in the mind also. See, 5 after, up to 9 you should count. 5 after 6, 7, 8, 9. How many fingers came? 4 fingers. That 4 you should write here. What is that answer? 41 is the answer. See, 256 from 473. See, here 3-digit number. Yes, you should draw the column. Ones place, tens place, hundreds place. Because here 3-digit numbers. Yes, no, minus symbol you should draw. From, see, 256 from 473. This 473 you should write up. Next 256 you should write down. Okay. Now what you have to do? Up number to down number you should minus. As up number, which number is here? 3. In the 3, 6 will go? No. What you have to do? You should take borrow from tens place. Then this is become See, 3 become 13 because here they taken borrow. As 13 minus 6. As 6 after up to 13 you should count. Okay children, 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. How many fingers came? 7 fingers. That 7 you should write here. Okay, here 6. In the 6 you should minus 5. Take out your, see, 5 after up to 6 you should count. 5 after 6. Only 1 remaining. 1 you should write. Here 4. Here 2. What you have to do? Here 2 is here. Yes, 2 after up to 4 you should count. Because up 4 is there. That's why. 2 after 3, 4. How many fingers came? 2. That 2 you should write here. What is that answer? 217 is the answer. Understood children? Write in the classwork ma. Two more example children. Listen carefully and you should do that. See, 451 from 663. What you have to do? You should draw the place value chart. Ones place, tens place, 100 place. Because this is 3-digit number. Yes, this is 3-digit number. That's why you should draw ones, tens, hundreds. Place value chart like this. Again you should draw here subtraction symbol. What is that subtraction symbol? Minus. As which, see, 451 from 663. 663 you should write up. And 451 you should write down. As in this number you should minus this number, down number. See, here 3. In the 3 you should minus 1. 1 after 2, 3. Up to 3 you should count. As how many numbers came? 2. That 2 you should write here. Understood? Here 6. Here 5. 5 after 6. Only 1 finger. Up to 6 means 1 finger. That 1 you should write here. Here see. Here 6. Here 4. In the 6 you should minus 4. 4 after you should count up to 6. Okay, 4 after 5, 6. How many fingers came? 2 fingers. That 2 you should write here. Understood children? What I did? How I did minus subtraction? How I did? Understood? See, in the down number to up number you should count. 1 after 2, 3. How many fingers came? 2 fingers. That 2 I wrote here. Here down which number is here? 5. Here up to 6. Up number 6 is there. 5 after only 6. Next number 6. 1. That 1 I wrote here. Understood? Here 6. Here 4. In the 6 you should minus 4. 4 after up to 6 you should count. As 4 after 5, 6. How many fingers came? 2 fingers. That 2 I wrote here. Understood children? What is that answer? 212 is the answer. Understood? Next, again should draw place value chart. Ones, tens, hundreds. Minus symbol you should write. See, 460 from 840. 840 you should write up. 460 you should write down. As 0 minus 0, 0. Here 4, here 6. In the 4, 6 will go. No. What you have to do? Should take borrow from next house. As in this 8, we cutted 1 finger because it went next house. That's why here 7, there 14. In the 14, you should cut 6. 6 after up to 14 you should count. 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. How many fingers came? 6 fingers. Sorry, 8 fingers. How many fingers came? 8 fingers. See? 6 after 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Up to 14 we counted. How many fingers came here? 8 fingers. That 8 you should write down. Understood? Here 7, here 4. 4 after up to 7 you should count. 4 after 5, 6, 7. How many fingers came here? 3 fingers. The 3 you should write here. Understood, children? Copy in the classwork. Children, everyone open your workbook. Subtraction. Open your workbook, my everyone. Chapter 5, subtraction. Subtract 2-digit and 3-digit numbers. As the difference between 45 and 5 is 45. 45 and 5. What you have to do? You should do minus. S 45 minus 5. 5 minus 5, 0. Here 4. What is that answer? 40 is the answer. The difference between 45 and 5 is, what is that option? D. First one, option D. Understood, children? Next, see, they given some pictures as heads of animals. See, total how many are there? First group, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. 17 in first group. 17 minus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Yes, 17 in next group. 17 minus 17, 0. What is that answer? C. Understood? 17 minus 17. See, 17 minus 17. 7 minus 7, 0. 1 minus 1, 0. That is answer also 0. Yes, that's why C. The difference between 11 and 11. 11 and 11. 11 minus 11. 0. C. Understood? Next, while subtracting, we always begin from the dash place. Ones place. D. Yes. Always addition also ones place, subtraction also ones place, multiply also ones place. Anything, see, subtraction, multiply and addition, three you should do in ones place only. Write the missing numbers. See, 35 minus 17. See, here 5 is here, 7 is here. It will go, no, you should take borrow from here. As 15 minus 7. 7 after up to 15 you should count. 7 after 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many fingers came here? 8 fingers. That 8 you should write here. 2 minus 1. 1. What is that answer? 18 is the answer. They given only 8. Yes. That fill in the blanks. 1 you should write. S, D. Option D. Understood, children? Next, sixth one. Find the missing number in the following. See, they given the number. 1 minus 1, 0. S, D. Next, Seventh one. While subtracting the digits in the ones place, we write its difference in the dash place. See, ones place only we will write as ones. See, we subtract the digit in the ones place. We write its difference in ones place only. Next, 110 is equal to how many ones, ma? How many ones? 10 ones. As fill dash you should write 10. Next, ninth one. When we subtract 1 from the number, we get the number that is before it. As before number we will get. Next, 10th one. What is zero property of subtraction? These properties I will do tomorrow. Okay? I will say tomorrow. When we subtract 0 from a number, the difference is the number itself. See, 11th one. 27 minus 27, 0. See, 12th one. 46 minus 1. 46 minus 1. 46 minus 1. See, 6 minus 1, 5. 4. 45 is the answer. Understood, children? Copy in the workbook. You should complete your workbook and classwork, ma. That is only homework. Okay?